What is up, guys? Scott here with Wandering the Wilderness, and today I'm just doing an unboxing video of a new rifle that I got from Palmetto State Army, PSA. Let me adjust the camera and let's get into it. Alright guys, so as I have said before, I am an affiliate of Palmetto State Armory, and I currently have a Dagger full size. I also have the PA10 which is an AR-15 in the 16 inch from PSA, and I have another one right here to add to my collection from them. Now with these firearms, they're not given to me, or they're not sent to me for the with any demands of any sort of review, but I have always been highly impressed with every weapon that I've gotten from them. I've never had a problem with any of them. All right, so let's get into it. This is my newest addition, and that is the PSA AR-10 Gen 3 308. All right, so I did show some shorts I had posted of taking a look at this. I have not shot it, so I will be doing that probably beginning of next week. But what I have done, this one I caught with the when they were doing the blim. All right, so this is normally around $900, and they had some in their blim section that was running around $650, $700. And the only thing that I had found on it when it came to being a blim was right here. You can see where some brass had came out and hit that piece. Now I don't know if that was test firing right before they sent it to me or what, but that is the only blim that I've seen on this thing. All right, so I'm just going to go over all of this real quick here. We do have the this is the PSA's in-house furniture, and it is the lightweight, and it has the M-Lok at your 12, 3, 6, and 9 position. All right, then we have a small section here for some pick rail, and then we have the pick rail all the way across the top. All right, let me flip that over. All right, then we also have the QD mount hole right there, so you can pop in your QD sling. It's the same on my the AR-15 that I got from them. Having difficulty with that because I always called it the M16 from military service. So it's the AR that I got from them. It has a QD hole up here at the front, and I believe at the back as well. Now with that, this is the stainless steel 18-inch barrel, and it has your standard bird cage on the end with the compression washer there. All right, I like this. I'm hit or miss on stainless. Stainless steel barrels, in my opinion, they do really good from my understanding in an accurate shot cold, but they don't, from what I understand, they don't hold as tight of a group with once they get kind of hot. Kind of like say a nitrite barrel would do a little better like repetitive shooting, and it actually does a little better hotter than it does cold. In my understanding, stainless does better kind of the reverse, and I'm going to be building this and setting it up for more as a DMR, dedicated marksman rifle. All right, so also it comes with the PMag 20 round. This one has their enhanced polish trigger. I did not get the one with the 2-stage Geisley trigger. All right, so that one costs a little bit more. That's the main difference between this one and the other one. But I do have an aftermarket trigger that I will be putting in this, and it's from Elf. This has it is the they call it the M4 with a rubber overmold made by PSA, as you see the thing right there. It does not have the finger swill that is in your standard M4 grip, and it is a rubber with a really good texture. I like it, and it feels good. I'm probably actually going to end up putting it on something else, but I'm going to put a different grip on this one. It also comes with your Magpul furniture, which seems to come pretty standard as their standard furniture they put onto every weapon. In my opinion, it's the same one that came on my AR from them, and I'm going to be changing that as well. This model does have, the Gen 3 has the adjustable gas block, and it comes with a Allen tool to reach that gas block to dial it in if you need to. And the reason for that is for potentially shooting suppressed. All right, so just wanted to let you guys take a look at this AR-10 Gen 3 from PSA, and just doing a general unboxing and overview over it. It does have your standard BCG in this one, and like I said, I'm going to be setting this up for something as a DMR type rifle, something I currently don't really have outside of my 30-06 with the MDT field stock on it that I primarily use as my hunting rifle. So anyway, I am going to be doing some changes to this, and wanted to at least do an unboxing on it and give you a little bit of a closer look before I make it my own. So anyway, if you guys, I'm sure by now, most of you that are probably watching this has heard of PSA. I'm actually going to be going to the PSA gathering in South Carolina. That is going on this weekend, Friday, all day Friday and Saturday. I'm going to be down there camping at the Clinton Plantation and doing some shooting. I will be doing some long range shooting and checking out a variety of vendors, and you know, meeting some other gun tubers or outdoorsmen there that will be at the PSA gathering. So stay tuned for more footage of that event. So if you guys are looking for a budget build for a DMR or a hunting rifle or something of that sort, this might very well fit the bill for you. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.